Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to change your country on Gmail for 2026. Google kind of hides this setting a bit, so I'll show you exactly where it's located and how to update it the right way. All right, let's get into it. First, you want to head over to your Google account dashboard. You can do that by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting Manage Your Google Account. It opens up all the personal settings tied to your Gmail. Once you're on the Google account page, look on the left sidebar and choose Personal Info. Yeah, this is where Google stores your basic profile details, including region settings. Now scroll down until you see the country or region section. Depending on your account, it may show your current country or no country at all. Just click the little arrow to open it. Here's where you can update your country. Choose your new location from the list. If Google asks you to verify your identity or payment info, yeah, that's normal. It's just making sure your account stays secure. So, this part is important. Gmail can't fully switch your country unless your Google Payments profile matches it. If you've ever used Google Play or bought something through Google, you might need to update that too. Go to pay.google.com, open settings, and make sure your country there is the same one you selected in your Google account. If not, you may need to create a new payments profile. Google usually guides you through it, and that's it. You've successfully changed your country on Gmail for 2026. It takes a moment for everything to sync, but yeah, after that, all your Google services update to the new region. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and tap that little bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming guides.